Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a TikTok video with multiple music or audio that you have chosen for yourself. So go over to YouTube and just search here non-copyrighted music. Once you're here, you'd want to make sure that you are on screen record. So if you're using your iPhone, just use the inbuilt recording on your iPhone and make sure that the audio is on. Now you can choose here what music you'd like for your video. For example, this one. And basically you just want to make sure that you are recording the audio. And once you're done, then just save that and choose another one that you want to put. So basically record the audio again and save the video. Now once you're done, go to KineMaster app. If you don't have this app, then just download it from the App Store or Google Play. And then tap on Create New, and tap on Create as well. So it's gonna lead you to this editing page. Then what you wanna do is tap on Media, tap on All, and just choose the videos that you recorded earlier or your screen capture and put them together. So as you can see, both of my videos are combined now. So basically what this app is going to do is it's going to combine your audio for you. So once you're done, just tap on the download icon and then tap on Save as Video. Skip. As you can see, it's already saving. Let's wait for that. Once that is saved, then go to TikTok, tap on Create, and here tap on Upload, and just choose the video from KineMaster. Tap on Next, and here just tap on Who can watch this video and make sure that it's set to only me. Now, once that is done, then just tap Post. Tap on Post Video. And setting it to only me is really important so that nobody else can see your video. Let's check if the video is here. If we look at this one, then you should be able to see the video that you just uploaded. Now once you're here, tap on the icon right here and then tap Use this sound. So here you can just record any video you like, and then the sound or the audio that you made will automatically be applied to the video. Let's try. So there you have it. That is how you can make a TikTok video with multiple audio. I hope this helped. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next one.